Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Endeavor. Today I will discuss about the point group and its example. What is the order of point group? So as I told you before, this unit is very important for your entrance exam. So please keep your notebook and pen with you. Okay. Now I will discuss about the ordered and point group of the molecule. Let's start. Our target is CSIR-NET JRF 2019 exam and 2020 GATE exam. Okay. My name is Chandan. So we will discuss in this unit point group and order of the molecule and example which is already asked in previous year question, and some trick I will tell you how to identify the point group of the molecule. Okay, so let's start. What is the order of the point group? It is the total number of symmetry element present in the molecule is known as order of the point group. Okay, can you remember? Yes, all symmetry element present in the point group is known as order of that point group. So let's start. What is the CN point group? The molecule which contains only identity and principal axis of symmetry is known as CN point group. If molecule having identity and principal axis of symmetry, then point group will be CN. So what is the order of CN point group? N. For example, H2O2, PPH3, COEN whole thrice, BNH2 whole thrice, etc. So can you draw the structure of H2O2? Yes, you can do it by yourself. What is the point group and order of H2O2? Let's see. Structure and symmetry element. You can see here this is the H2O2 molecule and there is symmetry element identity and C2. By rotation 180 degree you can get same symmetry element. There is no other plane of symmetry is present. It's look like open book structure. Okay, H2O2. What is the combination? Identity plus C2. What is the point group? C2. And you can tell me how many symmetry element is present there. Identity and C2 only 2. So order of this molecule is 2. Similarly, you can find out the point group of other given molecule like PPH3, COEN whole thrice, BNH2 whole thrice. Please try to solve it by yourself and draw the correct structure. Then I will discuss it in next video and I will tell you what is the point group of this molecule. So in this time you have to draw by yourself. Now I will discuss about the CNV point group. Those molecule which contains identity, principal axis of symmetry and vertical plane of symmetry is said to be CNV point group. Yes, no other plane of symmetry, only vertical plane of symmetry, principal axis of symmetry and identity. So what is the order of CNV point group? 2n. For example, H2O, NH3, ClF3, XeOF4, etc. What is the point group and order of H2O molecule and symmetry elements? Can you draw the structure of H2O molecule? Yes, you can do it. So try to solve it. Okay, let's start. H2O molecule. This is H2O molecule. You can see here there is one C2 axis present. By rotating 180 degree, you can get same symmetry element, and there is two plane of symmetry which is parallel to CN axis. Okay, there is two vertical plane of symmetry, one vertical of symmetry which is bisecting all the three atoms hydrogen, oxygen and hydrogen V dash, and there is another vertical plane which is bisecting only oxygen atom and reflecting both hydrogen atom. So what are the symmetry element present in this molecule? Identity C2 sigma V dash and sigma V double dash. So combination is identity plus Cn plus n sigma V. So what is the point group? C2V. And the order of this molecule? Number of symmetry element. You can find it. Identity C2, sigma V dash and sigma V double dash. There is 4 symmetry of element. So order of this molecule is 4. So molecule having identity Cn plus n sigma V. What is the point group of that molecule? CNV. Please remember. And you can write down this such type of point. Okay. Similarly, you can find out the point group of other molecule like ammonia, ClF3, XeOF4, and please try to draw the correct structure of this molecule and find out the point group of this molecule by yourself. Let's start. See, in exam 2010 GATE, the point they asked the point group and order of ClF3 and write the symmetry element and combination. Okay, so can you draw the structure of ClF3? Yes, you can do it. See, this is the structure of ClF3. There is one C2 present. By rotating 180 degree, you can get same element, same molecule, right? And there is two plane of symmetry. Both are vertical plane of symmetry. You can see here in first case there is one vertical plane which is bisecting all the four atoms, three fluorine and chlorine atoms, and another vertical plane which is bisecting chlorine and fluorine atoms, and both fluorine atoms are reflecting by each other. So what is the point group of this molecule? C2V, and order of this molecule is 4. So symmetry element must be identity Cn, that is C2, and sigma V dash and sigma V double dash. See, this is the trick you can remember. You don't have to identify all the symmetry element in the molecule. If molecule having cis isomer and mer isomer of mx3y3 type molecule, okay, of any molecule gives C2V point group. Remember, water type molecule gives always C2V point group. You can identify by yourself. You can take any example and you can find the symmetry and point group of that molecule. Okay, now let's start. You can see here cis dichloroethene. Okay, cis NiEN whole twice Cl2, cis H2O2, cis N2H2, etc. You know that N2H2 generally exists in trans form. If it's given in cis form, what is the that point? What is that molecule? You can draw it and you can find out the point group. So all such type of molecule having C2V point group. You can see here in H2O2, see there is one C2 axis is present and one vertical plane which is bisecting all the four atoms, and one vertical plane which is deflecting all the four elements by each other. Okay, so what is that point? What is this point group? C2V, and order of this molecule is 4. Okay, now let's see. See, this is 1,2-dichloroethylene. There is one C2 axis of symmetry is present, and there is two vertical plane is also present. So such type of molecule having C2V point group you can identify by yourself, and please try to write the all the symmetry elements and think you can view all this molecule in 3D. Okay, just try to imagine all this molecule in your front. So next question is, what is the point group and order of NH3? Write the symmetry elements and combination. In NH3, total number of symmetry elements are 6. Can you identify? Yes, you can do it. You can see here identity 2C3 and 3 sigma V. You know, as I told you in first video, operation of C3 axis will be n minus 1 times. So C3 will be C31, C32. There is two operation, right? So you can write down here C3 equal to C31 and C32. That means 2 C3 is present here, and there is 3 sigma V which is bisecting NH. Okay, all the NH bond. There is 3 plane of symmetry which is I have shown here. So you can identify all the symmetry element present in this molecule. So what is the point group of that molecule? The NH3 C3V, right? And what are the order of this molecule? What is the order of this molecule? You can write down identity 2C3 and 3 sigma V. Total symmetry element is 6. So order of this molecule is 6. Now note यहाँ पे, yes, you can write down molecule having pyramidal shape like NH3 and facial isomer will always show C3V point group. Okay, you can directly find out the point group of such type of molecule. For example, POCl3. You can draw it. Structure of POCl3. Yes, you can do it. What is the structure of NSF3? You can draw it. MX3 having lone pair. MX3Y type molecule like CH3Cl. Okay, CCl3H. Facial FeCl3Br3. Such type of molecule having C3B point group. Please remember, you don't have to identify all the symmetry element in this molecule. If you remember such type of trick, you can identify what is that point group of this molecule. So let's start. CNH point group, those molecule which contains identity, molecular plane, horizontal plane, and principal axis of symmetry is said to be CNH point group. So what is the order of CNH point group? 2n. For example, BOH whole thrice, boric acid. Can you draw the structure of BOH whole thrice? Yes, you can do it. And what is the point group of trans N2H2, trans H2O2, etc. Please try to solve it by yourself. And now I am giving you some question which is based on the point group. So in GATE 2008 they ask what is the point group and order of NSF3 molecule. Option is given that D3D, C3H, D3H and C3V. Next question is what is the point group of cis-1,2 difluoroethylene. Please try to solve it and identify the all the symmetry element present in such type of molecule. Thank you for watching, and I hope you are enjoying all the topics and problem. If you have any doubt, so please you can directly approach to me, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will update rest of the topic in next video. Thank you for watching.